Hey, what's happening, folks? Nick Rehmani here, and I hope you are doing well today. Welcome to our channel where we explore the journey of personal growth and success. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept, the transformative impact of surrounding yourself with people more talented and skilled than yourself. Stay with us to discover how this can redefine your limits and unlock a world of possibilities. Picture this. You're in a room not just with any people, but with individuals whose talents and skills are awe-inspiring. They're innovators, creators, thinkers, each excelling in their own fields. Now imagine yourself amongst them. Intimidating? Maybe. But here's the magic. See, being in the company of such extraordinary talent does something remarkable to you. It pushes you beyond your comfort zone. The things you once labeled impossible start to look achievable. Why? Because their energy, their expertise, and their drive, it's contagious. These gifted individuals become your mentors, your inspiration. They don't let you settle. Good enough is not in their vocabulary, and soon it fades from yours too. You're encouraged to reach further, to dream bigger, and as you do, something incredible happens. You start achieving more, not just more, but beyond what you thought was possible. The boundaries of your capabilities expand. You're not just watching greatness, you're becoming part of it. This newfound confidence, it's exhilarating, it's empowering, and it's real. But don't just take my word for it. Try it. Step out and surround yourself with those who are where you aspire to be. Watch how it transforms you, how it reshapes your perception of what's possible. And remember, the only true failure is giving up. If you don't try, you'll never know what could have been. So, take that step. Surround yourself with talent and be prepared to impress yourself. Before you go, we have an exciting opportunity just for you. Are you inspired to take control of your life and career? Are you open to learning what we do online to earn substantially? Do you dream of earning substantially from the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world for that matter? Visit our website at freedomlifebusiness.com, where we're dedicated to helping people just like you achieve freedom and independence and live life on their own terms. Our platform offers comprehensive resources and strategies for online success. Whether you're just a beginner or looking to elevate your existing online venture, we have something for everyone. Join our community of success-driven individuals who have transformed their lives using our proven methods. Don't just dream about freedom, make it your reality. Discover how you can start earning significantly online and build a life of autonomy and fulfillment. Take the first step towards your new life today and unlock the secrets to financial freedom and living life on your own terms. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates and success stories. Your journey to freedom starts here. We can't wait to see where it takes you. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Here's to your journey of growth, success, and freedom. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Until next time, bye for now.